How to change your profile picture on Canva. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Canva app fast and easy. So first thing you need to do, go to Canva like this. Go to the home page. Okay, here is the home page. Now you will find this page. Go down and click on menu right here. Click on your name and click on your account option, the first one, and then click on your account again here. And here you go. Now you have the accessibility to change your profile picture just from here. Click edit photo and you can change it like this or remove it if you don't want it. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe.